Number 22. Okay, absolute sign is equal to 73. First, let's see what absolute sign actually means. For example, if you have negative 10 inside this absolute sign, so it will come out, it will hop out as a positive number, right? So when you have a negative number or you have a positive number inside this sign, every time the result is positive, right? So if I say some value of x, this is positive. So I am not sure actually this x is positive or this x is negative. So I have to take both the options, right? So similarly in this question, because negative 5x plus 13 is giving me 73. So I am not sure that it is negative 73 or positive 73, which after solving this absolute sign is giving me positive 73. So my first step will be that I'll just open this absolute sign assuming that 73 can take both values, positive as well as negative. So that means I can write this single equation in two parts where one is positive and another one is negative 73, right? So this is like if I am putting these two signs together, sorry for that. So that means these are two equations written in one. One is with positive sign, another is with negative sign. Now let's find solution with both for both the equations. So adding 13 on both sides. First I'm solving this one. So negative 5x, this 13 is cancelled, is equal to 0, 60. Now dividing by negative 5 on both sides. Negative 5 is equal to 60 over negative 5. So x is equal to, okay, that is negative 12. Now let's solve another one. The other one is subtracting 13 on both sides. Negative 5x is equal to, this is cancelled, 86. So x is equal to, now dividing by negative 5 on both sides, negative 86 by negative 5 cancelled. So that means this is 86 over 5. So here x can take both the values. One, it can be negative 12, other, it can be 86 over 5, right? Now our question is, what is the sum of the solutions to the given equations? So that means whatever are the two solutions, we have to add them. So first is negative 12, other one is 86 over 5, right? Now if you are comfortable with fractions, right, you can solve it at your own. But if you are not, I'll tell you butterfly method. There is a butterfly method. Suppose this negative 12, I can write it as negative 12 by 1. And butterfly method says that numerator of 1 is multiplied with the denominator of second, point number 1. Point number 2 is this numerator is multiplied with this, right? Butterfly method. And denominators are multiplied together. Let's do it this way. So this is negative 12 times 5 plus 86 times 1, and denominators are multiplied together. So this is 26 over 5. That is our answer, right? This is butterfly method. So D is the right option. We have already done the question, but let's see how we can solve it by other method, by making the denominators same, right? This is butterfly method. Now it is like 12 by 1 plus 86 by 5. So I can solve it by other method, so that what I'm going to do for that, I'm going to make their denominators same. So for this, I'll multiply by this first fraction multiply by 5 and divide by 5, right? So this is equivalent fraction, this one. Now it becomes negative 60 by 5 plus 86 by 5. Now because the denominators are same, so now I do not need to apply the butterfly method. So when denominators are same, I can just write it once and numerators are solved as it is, right? And this is also 26 by 5. So one, we learned how to solve the question. Another one is how we can add or subtract fractions. First one is butterfly method and second one is by making the denominator same. So you can choose your style which you are comfortable with and do the question. So D is the right option. I hope you understand it.